back to another daily video. We upload at 9 a.m. every single day, so make sure you guys are subscribed. Click that notification bell, that way you can stay up to date on our latest projects. Today, we're working on the Tacoma. If you guys remember, I had an off-road mishap that involved the rear bumper, the exhaust, and this dent right here. You can see I've temporarily fixed the rear bumper, but that whole off-roading adventure has caused a whole new change and look for the truck. I have it parked sideways in the driveway here so it can bake out in the sun, and you guys will see here soon why I have it like that. But one of the changes is this black vinyl here. A lot of people really did not like me putting on this vinyl, but it's doing its job keeping all of this off the paint and keeping it nicely protected. The first piece that we're working on today is we need to remove this little lower fin portion because we are in fact removing all of this vinyl. So I need to loosen up one bolt in the front. This is 3M'd on, and when we put this piece on we had to peel it off and redo it, so that's not really hard to do.
I think it comes off easier on the vinyl than it did on the paint.
Oh, that's true. But we did let it soak in the sun this time, a little bit more than last time. Yeah, oh, that's just a tab. Yeah. I think I gotta pop it out from here.
Just give it a firm pull, it should come right out.
There we go. You can reach it from the top. All right, so now we can start peeling this off. We may have to get a hair dryer, but we did let this sit in the sun for, I don't know, a half hour or so. You ready?
Yep. And for everybody who did complain about how much they hated this vinyl, is that not brand new paint underneath? I mean, look at that. That is literally what? I don't even know, a few thousand miles, if that.
Yeah, what? We did this last summer.
A long time
So
ago.
it's been, actually it's probably been longer than that.
But brand new paint for everyone who complained thinking this was ruining the truck. Oh, it's so beautiful.
It's coming off. Well, oh, that was our first. There we go.
Didn't get too hot under there, but.
Yeah, I'm gonna start on top. Well, there is no going back with this piece.
Yeah. Well, it did its job. Look how beautiful the paint is. This is gonna look really good.
This was a lot of work putting all of this on. And look at how easy it is to take off.
10 seconds to feel off, an hour to install.
Yeah.
Damn.
Aw. We should take before and after pictures of the other side now that I forgot about that. But yeah, so.
Look at all the scratches, all sorts of stuff all in it.
We'll probably be able to show you more. There's probably more scratches behind the front tire there, but yeah, this is pretty beat up. Having no mud flaps and larger tires, there is a lot of crap on here. And now I have beautiful paint. I may have to open the door to get to the back side of that.
Well, maybe it is easier actually to do this corner. Yeah. You have all this piece right here.
We'll have to start on this side.
It's crazy how much dirt and stuff is all on this vinyl.
Look at my hands just from peeling it off. Well, let's start there. I've got everything. I may have to leave it open just a little bit to get this around the corner. Well, we've never really removed vinyl before.
I don't think we've ever removed it.
Every car that we've put it on, we've sold with it as is. So, it's not bad letting it sit out.
Key to removing vinyl, don't remove it in the winter. Do it when it's at least warm out. It's like, I don't know, 65 out right now. Wow. Brand new paint. Hey, there's that one scratch we never buffed out.
Oh yeah. You ready for the first panel to come off?
Yep.
Here we go. All right.
That brand new paint, not a single imperfection. Squeaky clean, actually. Look at that.
You know what's weird? We had the rock rails on. We've never had the rock rails on with just the blue.
Yeah.
We put the vinyl on and then we did the rock rails, so it looks very different right now.
Yeah.
That we have it that way in reverse order. I don't know if I got the front piece of this yet. We have to open the door. So now we are going to be removing the pinstripe because the ideas that I have for this truck, this just isn't going to work. And if I do want to replace it, it's like $5. I've never really been for or against the pinstripe. It was just on the truck when I bought it. So here we go. Hopefully I can do this in one piece.
And actually the Toyota dealer who installed it didn't really put it on that perfect. It might be kind of hard to tell, but it actually isn't that straight either.
Oh, yeah, it's wavy down the entire side on the driver's side.
I think the window sticker, they charge like $70 for that.
Crazy.
Which is one more reason why you don't want the dealer installed options, because they rip you off. This is $5 worth of stuff.
I am deciding to leave the TRD 4x4 off-road because I think that's just going to look cool with the design that we have going up for it. But I can replace that if needed. So if it is in the way, we can always redo that and maybe get a different color or something. But what do you guys think? The truck is now, what would you say, not debadged, but
de-vinyled.
De-vinyled. So we're working on the broken side right now. We can kind of see more of the body panel once I pop this piece out. And the tabs are still intact, which is good. All right, so
it's a little bent up.
Yeah, a little bent. I don't know if I need to replace that piece or not. I mean, it's plastic, so we might be able to mold it back.
Now we can get a really good look at the body panel.
Yeah, right here.
Really, the exhaust did all the damage.
Yeah.
If the exhaust tip wasn't there.
Yeah.
Dang.
So maybe I'll have to ditch the exhaust tip.
Yeah.
Because actually, that's a lot.
Yeah, it really is.
That's a lot.
We'll see if any of the paint has cracked or anything.
Well, we didn't let this side soak in the sun as much, but it's coming off pretty easily. How far did we wrap this back here?
I guess the metal
went all the way up.
Yeah, because that all used to be more of the side, now it's on the bottom.
Yeah. Pretty big dent.
Yeah.
The vinyl hides it a lot better.
Yeah, I don't know how well the camera will pick it up, but this is all flat right here when this should be like way down here.
Yeah. You don't think we can fix this ourselves?
I mean, we could smack it with a hammer and see what it does.
Dang. What do you guys think now with the vinyl and the pinstripe gone? It has a much different look than with everything on it, of course. And then I do need to go ahead and wash the truck because there is some glue residue from the pinstripe since it's been on the truck for a good amount of time. I decided to go ahead and use a waterless wash on the truck. So this is from Innovative Speed Shop. We use this on all of our vehicles. It is a really good product to use. Even used it cleaning up the back of the R8 there. Brian has joined me now and we are in his office because we have some other products for other vehicles that we are going to be ordering. So we might as well do a large order on everything that we need. So I'm gonna be watching the computer screen from here.
So we got matte black. We'll probably need a lot of that because I think for everything, we're gonna need a lot of that.
Yep.
We want matte white, I think. I like the matte white.
Okay, we'll go with that. I'm gonna turn around now. So comment down below, you guys, what do you think we are up to on the different vehicles that we have and what designs are we going for? We kind of revealed some of this on the R8 and GTR a while back. So if you missed those videos, well then you should go back and see what we're up to because we got some cool plans coming. All right, so knifeless tape, we got, what is that, satin red, another shade of red, matte silver, matte black, matte metallic blue, matte white.
Yep. And then comparing prices on this website, this is a different blue, a little bit different red, and then these three are the same. So these are 60 inch by 60 inch, about 51 bucks a pop. These are same size, wow, a lot cheaper.
20 bucks less.
Yeah.
Roughly. So Brian and I will be deciding what we are going to actually order tonight. I forgot to show you that I'm leaving the matte black on the tailgate. So this is the only piece that I haven't ripped off because this is gonna match the new theme that I'm going with. It's also a very hard piece to lay because not only do I have to take off all of these emblems now, but underneath is all the indentions for Tacoma spelled out. That's gonna sum up today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. We have a lot more plans coming for the truck and also the GTR and the R8. So make sure you guys subscribe. Stay tuned for what's coming in future videos. If you enjoyed today's video, give it a thumbs up, smash that subscribe button. I'll see you next video.